Here we go, finally. So this is a GCI, Great Coaster International roller coaster. Supposed to be dueling with the track on our right side, but that one is closed for refurbishment or maintenance. So yeah, this is going to be super fun.
It's nothing in front of you.
Yeah, it's great. This is gonna be fun. If you only watch the Onride, by the way, we recommend that you watch the full vlog here from Efteling. Here we go. There goes the first drop. Woohoo! We are the winner. Of course we were.
That was so fast.
Oh, that was a great roller coaster. I really like that. You peed your pants? I thought it smelled. Honestly, this is a really good roller coaster. I really like this. It's not the soft Baller or Colossus, but it's fast and it's so much fun. Wow. Oh, Lord. Wow. I really like that.
Oh.